Okay, now we'll test out the RTC80150, 150-ton link belt RT. And first thing we'll do is make sure that our O-snaps are all turned off and 3D O-snaps turned off. And we got the crane in the environment already and a payload with rigging. So now we can go to cranes and we'll start up the crane. Get the familiar nil command indicating that the load worked properly. So now we can go ahead and configure the main. And we'll put in 129.5 and we'll be at 60-foot radius with 55-foot hook height. And looks good. Let's look at things from above. Radius is dead on the money. That payload is within our reach range. So let's have a look at our layers. And we should find one that says something about load. Yep, right there. We'll double click on it to make it current. And now it appears in this current layers list, easy to remember. So now we can go over here to our southwest isometric view, go to cranes, and we'll do a go to, and we'll look for a node point in the apex of that rigging over there and connect right up to the payload. And that worked very well. Now we can do CHPROP, change that payload and rigging to reside on a different layer called RTC80150 load. Okay, and now let's see, these commands I think all begin with an R, T, yep, RTC, so there should be one that begins with a hook. Something about the hook, yep, right there. And we're at 37.7, let's go up to 65 feet. And the payload goes with it, so that worked fine. RTC, seek some more commands. We can do the RT, change the carrier about whatever way we want. And RTC, move, pick up the crane wholesale and move it with the payload. Let's do an undo on that. How about a RTC ROT? Yep. And let's see, RTC up down. We're at 54.4. Let's be at 45 feet. And that works fine. RTC, something about scope. Right there. And let's go out to 175 feet. And let's be at 65-foot radius. And that also worked fine. And let's see, we already did a go-to, I believe. So we can do a spin hook as if a tagline is on a load. That works fine. Check our capacity with maximum counterweight. We can lift 21.8 and a little less counterweight. We can also lift 21.8. Let's go to paper space for a moment, or layout space. Let's go to cranes. And let's pull up the 59K chart and place it there. There's that 21.8. And let's go to charts and do the 35K chart and place it over here. and 21.8. Both of them identical lifting capacity. Okay, everything's working fine with the RTC main boom. Thank you.